High pressure remains in charge over the next few days with fog patches, and not only that, just a little rain across the far northwest of Scotland. Hello, welcome to your mid-morning forecast. It's Thursday, the 23rd of January. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Well, high pressure, as I said, still roaming across the UK. The air is slightly milder than it has been. Even so, fog will be a problem over the next few days. This weak weather front here sinks into that high pressure, so only a little bit of rain associated with it. But yes, you can see those oranges slowly migrating in through Friday. Now through Thursday morning into the afternoon, away from the far south, we're seeing a bit more in the way of cloud. We will see poor visibility, hill fog, low misty cloud murk, to be honest. Across the far north of Scotland, it's slightly different. A lot of cloud here and also some outbreaks of rain, never really amounting to too much. Towards the east, though, because of the wind direction, we will see some breaks in the cloud for Lothian as well as Aberdeenshire. Perhaps even Northumberland seeing a hint of brightness later on. Northern Ireland seeing a cloudy day, and again we could see one or two holes here. Even so, along that north coast, the odd spot or two of rain can't be ruled out. A similar situation for northern parts of Wales as well as Cumbria and Lancashire. Temperatures then around average for this time of year, but feeling a bit chilly under that cloud. So through Thursday evening and overnight, we watch as this weak weather system moves down towards the central belt. It may just clip the eastern side of Scotland, but spits and spots here. And then you can see making inroads across the far north of Northern Ireland. Ahead of it, we'll see more in the way of cloud, a bit of patchy rain and drizzle. Even so, that fog will reform in places away from the south where we're seeing more of a breeze. So where we see those lighter winds, yes, you could actually run into that fog if you are travelling through Thursday night and into a Friday morning. So through Friday, this is that weak weather front just moving in. The central belt seeing a little bit of patchy rain. Further south across England and Wales, we will see that thicker cloud and some patchy drizzle. But one or two holes in the cloud coming and going. Thinner cloud for the northeast of Scotland. But you can see here, this is that warm front we saw on the bigger picture, dragging in some relatively milder conditions, and with that some outbreaks of rain, particularly for the upslopes of the northwest Highlands. But it could extend down towards the Trossachs as well as Glasgow. And for Northern Ireland through Friday, a bit damp in places, particularly across the south there. Even so, across the north, sheltered from that wind, the northeast, we could see some breaks in the cloud, and temperatures again around 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. The outlook into the weekend. Still poor visibility across England and Wales on Saturday. You can see here, though, the wind picks up some strength through Saturday into Sunday. And then we see this rain band move in. Transition between that mild, murky air to some colder conditions. And with that, we are likely to see some blustery showers, which could turn wintry across the north and the west. And all change next week as the weather turns unsettled. Bye-bye.